launch a fresh instance of Linux image. Okay, I'm going to launch instance tab here. Okay, I'm clicking the launch here. So here what type of AMI, that is Amazon machine image, that is called. So you want to launch it, you can select it. For our understanding purpose, now we are going to launch simple Linux AMI. So I take this Linux AMI of instance Amazon machine image with 64-bit. Okay, so depends upon your requirement. You can launch the respective. For example, if you want to launch a web application, this image is very useful and handy. So so when you try more and more AMI launching, and depends upon your purpose and usage, you can launch the corresponding image. Now I'm selecting this image and clicking select. Here when you go for Amazon free service, initially for first 1 year it will be free services for certain category. One among them is T2 micro. So when you select, you can see it's a free tier eligible. If you started your account with less than 1 year, this free tier eligible instance type you can use for your learning purpose, which is absolutely free for 750 hours. You can go and check in the cost explorer when you log in your Amazon AWS management console. Okay, so now I'm selecting this one. It's it has CPU and of 1 and memory 1 GB. This is enough for our study purpose. So I'm clicking next for configuration purpose. Now here launch it here. In part of my final launching time, it will prompt you whether to create a key pair value. This key pair value is basically like it will create an access key and secret access ID. Those things will be created with the password, everything for this particular resource, that can be used for any CLI, SDK or API purpose. On the programmatic level, you can use it on any resources. If you want to use it for an example, CLI like AWS command line interface, if you want to launch it, you can use it. On programmatic also, if you want to access this resource, this file is crucial. The important thing is whenever you launch a resource, that particular instance alone you will get the file. So it's crucial, you need to take a copy of this file and keep it preserve this file safely. So if you have the similar Amazon managed Amazon machine image key pair value, you can use that one, the earlier one. Otherwise you can create a one for safer side. I'm going to create a new key pair value. I'm going to name it okay. Okay, so now I'm hitting the download key pair value. So now you can see the key pair value downloaded. This can be, you can see under download folder, most probably it will be available. uh, See, it's under download. You can see that. Remember the file name. Let's go back to that window again. Now I'm going to finally hit a launch instance. Now you see it will take a few minutes to launch that instance. It will show up like this. So you can wait here and see the instance status, or you can click the view instance and see. So now I'm just started saying that the new instance status is under painting. After a few minutes you'll see that once it is properly launched, you will get to know it's like running. See, now it's successfully launched. So now the next thing what you're going to do is the launched instance, we are going to connect it. So now I'm going to click the instance here, and I'm going to select connect here. I'm going to connect. I'm just getting into SSH client. I am going to copy this one. command. This is a simple thing you need to do it, but you can follow changing the, so you can follow the instruction 1 2 3 4 going sequentially. Before to I'm going to terminal here, and this terminal. Okay, I'm going to download folder. Okay, from download folder I'm just ensure my Linux file is already available. Yeah, it's available. Okay, I'm just ensuring that I only have access like chmod 400, that like read and write for only to the owner, not to others. Okay. Okay, sorry for that, it's not going. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so I changed the read write permission, so only reading for myself only. Now I'm going to go to the final command to launch the instance. So being first times it will prompt you to accept the key. So I'm accepted. Now successfully we connected to that instance. That's it. So this is the way you can launch an instance from the scratch and connect to the instance. Now see now I want to drop that instance. Okay, so what I can do, I came out of the instance, I'm going back to the AWS console here and getting back to the EC2. This is here running instance. Okay, so this running instance I'm going to click here and go to the instance state. Clicking here I can reboot or stop. Now instead, as I said before in the beginning of the video, I'm going to terminate the instance, which is nothing but I'm going to remove the instance completely, since this video is talks about how to launch the instance and delete the instance. So basic understanding how to launch and terminate the instance, that's it. Terminate means it will be completely out of your account. Okay, terminating, it will prompt you because to confirm that you are going to terminate the instance, choose the terminate button. Terminating the instance cannot be undone. Okay, so you have to be very sure. Okay, I'm going to terminate it, that's it. So it will take few minutes to terminate the instance. Once it is terminated, initially it will be shut down and it will come with the status of terminated, and maybe immediately it will clear from your queue, or it will take some time later to completely out of your queue, so you no need to worry. So with that, you'll not be charged for anything. That's it, you're done with that. Okay, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.